I mean,
the handicap sticker.
we never had rolled ice cream, so I'm really excited. We're gonna do something crazy.
Oh, I gotta get my hat too.
Even in the darkest places, even in the darkest places, see your love.
It's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Y'all, Demont got me using this high-tech camera, and I don't know what the heck I'm doing.
You holding it like it's the cross or something.
I am so scared because it's so heavy duty, and I like want to protect it with my life. I'm used to my little vlogging camera or using my phone. This is gonna be our first official. I have so much footage recorded when I first started our YouTube channel, and I never edited and posted anything. Babe, how do I put this on autofocus?
A few moments later.
Hey y'all. Y'all, Demont trying to make me record with this camera and give me a little crash course on camera recording with this thing, and I don't know nothing about none of that. Baby, what is this? But I'm excited because y'all, and then I want to protect this with my life. Like, you just can't sit this down. We are on our way to Chicago for Demont's birthday. We're doing like a little weekend trip. I asked him what he wanted to do, and he said he wanted to go to Six Flags. He loves roller coasters, amusement parks. That's what he said he wanted to do.
Yes, sir.
He over there hype about it. So we're just gonna vlog our little weekend Chicago trip. So that's pretty much it. It said we got like 4 hours left. We will be there like around 8:40. Yeah, I will turn the camera back on when you show me how to use it, and when we get to our destination. So see y'all in a little bit.
When you gave me something I don't really feel.
Babe, how you doing?
I'm feeling good after we done got through that rain cloud. They had me on the stairwell like this.
Now you call me to my yard on the spot. When you see me on the edge, coming on.
Okay, y'all, so I just picked up Demont. He went in the store, stopped in a little like in a small little town that had like a Ross and Burlington and all of that. So he went into the store. He wanted to get him like a shirt or something to wear tonight, and then I went to the Dollar Tree to pick up some stuff for him later.
Chicken salad, chick.
What the heck is that?
Chicken salad?
We're about to go to Panera to get our free drink. If you're not a part of the SIP club, you need to get, I gotta remember to cancel that though. Demont got his little shirt. He feeling himself.
I mean, they're squeezing all the right muscles.
He said it was squeezing out. Like, what? You feeling yourself? You gonna be a cute birthday boy?
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be cute. I mean, it ain't big stepping, but I mean, I'm stepping.
We're about to go to Panera real quick and get our free drink. And I gotta use it, so yeah, we'll see y'all.
Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now.
Okay, y'all, this is probably a terrible one. Me and Demont just realized that the place where we're going to dinner and made reservations is actually before our hotel. We're gonna do something crazy. We just pulled off on the highway, and I have him getting my makeup out of the trunk. I guess I'm gonna try to get dressed as much as I can in the car, and thanks, babe. Go to a gas station and change. It just makes the most sense. Hotel is an hour from the restaurant, so we will be completely late for our reservation. I just put lashes on. Demont's down here having an anxiety attack. The traffic down here is, I mean,
the handicap sticker.
He's over here having a nervous breakdown. I have to try to, I gotta finish my lip and then change my clothes. Traffic has like pushed us way behind. Demont, how you feeling?
Stressed out. Hello, I was just wondering, were these prices accurate, or what was the price?
It's no more 50.
It's 15?
No. It's closed.
It's closed? I'm sorry, it's distorted. We need about 2 hours. Hello? What?
I think he said 20 for you, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was very distorted though.
He said $20. He said we're closed. What? What is he talking about? I don't even know. They about to rob us. They about to get us, bro. Man, I'm having straight anxiety.
The traffic down here is crazy.
I mean, who performing?
We found a parking space, thank God, but we're about to have to change in here, and I'm having anxiety about that. Guys, cool. I have to change my underclothes and everything for my outfit, so, and it's 9:38. Good thing we are literally like walk out the parking lot right by the sugar factory, but we gotta hurry up though. I'll see y'all in a minute.
I never make you feel like that. I love being up for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Cannot take love. I love me. I love being up for the both of us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
You got us. She was like, nah, we don't do that.
Happy birthday. Vanilla bean.
Yeah.
My favorite.
Whip, body, whip, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No.
We parked. Not parked. We packed like we were staying for 2 years. Oh, you don't know the room number? Okay. Now here's a little tour of the room. It's actually pretty nice. It looks like a more updated Hampton. Love the bathroom. Hey y'all, so we made it to the hotel. So we're about to get unpacked. I'm about to figure out what I'm doing with my life. I showed y'all a little room tour. Wasn't nothing crazy. But nothing else exciting is happening tonight that you guys are gonna see. We will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys.
What's up, y'all? Okay,
as you can see, we're on Demont's camera. I don't know why I have to tell y'all that, but this quality is just like
it's busting.
It's a bussin'. It's really crazy because I'm just so used to using my vlogging camera or my phone, but this camera is very heavy to hold.
Get them reps in.
Get my arm workouts in, okay? But we are leaving the hotel now. As y'all can see, we just got everything packed up. Really, Demont did. He put everything in the car. I had to do some footage around the hotel for my little Hilton series on TikTok. If you guys are not following us on TikTok, go follow us now. I'm gonna put the @ name right there at Demont and Mars. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing.
I don't know if y'all can see where we headed, but
where we headed, I don't even know. Are we going to Chinatown today? I'm really excited about that. I've never been to Chinatown. This is our first time in Chicago. I don't know if I told y'all that. So I guess we will see you guys in Chinatown. We made it to Chinatown. Everything's so cool. When I tell you, you can smell the Chinese food.
I mean, they smell good too. You like fried rice? Eat.
Okay, from Demont. Got a little Mexico.
actually put your paws in it.
Your paws in them?
Yeah, you can put your
Your hand?
You can put your whole hands in there, like, cool.
Really gonna use it.
I'm like, man, put your arm through this.
It's not good. It's not good.
Yeah, it's cute.
But it's mine now.
Boy, you was not even gonna use it.
It's not mine.
I did. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Numa's gonna be jealous. Oh yeah, I'm not bringing this back. Oh, thank you. I'm free talking. Now I get a chance to win you something.
Oh, okay. We'll see.
All right.
They did that on purpose. Too big.
Set up. It's a fashion store that go up.
You wanna go in there?
Yeah, let's go.
Babe, what if this is a trap?
Come on.
Do you want me to put that on? What you trying to say? You're very anime looking clothes. Yeah, I feel like Demont's videographer. Yeah, look at those. Babe, that kind of look like a sweet potato pie or something.
It's a spicy chicken feet.
Yeah, would you eat that?
Yeah, that. Oh no.
Babe, what you eating?
I'm eating this beef bun.
Yeah, we just did like a little review on our TikTok of all the little treats that we got from this bakery in Chinatown. So to see the full review, and when I tell y'all Demont just had me so weak, y'all gotta go watch it. I'm gonna drop our tag to our TikTok right here at Demont and Mars on TikTok. Y'all have to go check out the review on these bakery. But this is really good.
I'm smacking this.
I'm gonna just show y'all what the inside look like, just so y'all. It don't look good. It's very good. It tastes like one of those Jamaican. What is it called, babe?
Oh yeah, Jamaican beef patties.
Beef patties. It's really, really good.
I would like some personalized chopsticks though.
Ain't that cute though?
Yeah, that is.
It's already put together, so you don't have to figure out how to use it. Yeah, you always wanted like a little ramen bowl.
This is
That's
like
really
perfect.
cool.
Please put that, or you want to make it?
Okay, just in case.
These little dragons on my right.
Sweet floral.
Okay, y'all, so we just came out of that floral shop. Demont got me a rose. I said, babe, give me a rose. He really went in there and got me one. It says just for you. It smells so good too.
Hey man, you know me, I'm just Mr. Romantic.
Oh, okay.
You know, Mr. Romantic.
Called Happy Cafe, and they got like different little things on the menu. So we're trying to figure out what we're gonna eat. Thank you so much. That looks pretty good.
That's good.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, touch your edge out, put some ice, hope you'll be sorry. Listen, baby,
Yeah. Look at these ice creams we got. We're at this place called Oriental Tea. I got the banana passion fruit and Demont got the strawberry sundae. It's a rolled ice cream place. We've never had rolled ice cream, so I'm really excited. Let's trying these. Y'all gotta go follow our TikTok. That's where we do all our food reviews. So if you're not following us, I'll drop Demont and Mars at the bottom of the screen. So we're about to try these real quick, and we'll see y'all guys in a little bit. Hey y'all, Demont is over here bashing on these catfish nuggets that we just got. But y'all, I just wanted to hop on here and close out this vlog. We are headed back home. We're heading into Chicago traffic right now. Gonna lose an hour going back home, so it's saying we're gonna get home around like 11. What, babe?
11:35.
11:35. So this concludes our little Chicago vlog for Demont's birthday. If you guys enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Hit that subscribe button right down there and come back to see us again. We will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
I see your love, yeah. Even in the darkest places, yeah. Even in the dark.